Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about colors and emotions. So colors are used in our illustrations, right? But colors can also indicate emotions that the characters are feeling. So a picture can say 1,000 words and colors can tell us a character's emotions. So cool colors, things like blues and greens and blacks can indicate sadness, scared, lonely, or hopelessness. Warm colors can indicate excited, angry, happy, friendly, or in love. Those would things be like red, yellows, pinks, oranges. Those are warm colors. So our colors can indicate the different emotions the characters are feeling. So what I want you to do is we're gonna read the story first, and then you're going to answer the questions down below. Okay? So this is deep in the forest, and I want you to think about what the characters are feeling based on the colors. We see yellows here. What do you think? These pictures look a little darker. What do you think here? What about the colors here? I see some blues in the background. What do you think? The end. So what I want you to think about is what was the color and what emotion did that show throughout the story. Good job.